Okay, so I'm going to put these fake scoops on the side, and I like to put a little bit of sealer on the edge of it here. I use this 3M strip caulk and just put it along the side of it here. Try to keep it back from the edge so when you put it on, it doesn't squeeze out and get on the paint. I think it's a good idea. It just puts a cushion between this piece and your quarter panel here on the paint, so it doesn't cut into that when you tighten it up. I usually try to finish this all off really good before I paint it, and make sure that there's no edges on that scoop that are going to cut into this. So I sand the back of the scoop really good and fit them, and then I find my final piece is just to put a little bit of caulk strip on there. So okay, a little update on the 69 Boss 429 project. So I've got my headliner in, and it's all clamped in, finished up all the way around, got my windlace in, got all my stainless on, scoops on both sides, side marker lights, got my tail lights all polished out real nice, and the stainless and the lenses polished like I did the other one. Got my rear valance panel in, NOS backup lights, got my mirrors painted, and put those on. I'm missing one screw here on that one. That's why that's kind of hanging there. But anyway, I'm moving right along. Get this scoop in as well. Rear sail panels are in, snapped in place, ready for my back glass. We've put the fuel tank in and the trunk deck lid on. Next, I'm going to take these gauge clusters apart and clean them up and get them ready to put, or just detail those out yet. I've got the lens for the front. That's what these are, NOS. License plate. Got this English High Point. It would have been English Ford. This car was sold at English Ford, North Carolina, and I sent it out. I found this and sent it out, had it chromed, and I just painted that black stripe down the center. I'm trying to decide, do I put that on this car or not? Just keep it, and if I ever sell the car, I'll give this to whoever buys it and let them decide. Any comments be appreciated. I don't think it would go on the deck lid because of the Mustang letter, so it's going to have to go back here, either here or on this side. What do you think? Thanks for watching.